Hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome videos. It really motivates me to keep creating content like this. First, let me tell you before we start, you can just listen like a podcast or watch the visuals for more clarity. This video is designed for both. Hey there, welcome to today's episode of IELTS Pro Lab. I'm super glad you're here. If you're preparing for the IELTS test, especially the listening section, you're in the right place. So today, we're gonna talk about something that, might sound small, but it's super important. Locational prepositions. These are the words that tell us where something is, like next to, behind, or in front of. And yeah, they pop up a lot in map questions in the IELTS listening test. Trust me, you don't want to miss these. 1. In front of. So, the idea behind this one is, something is facing or directly before another thing. We usually say it when one object is right ahead of something else. Like, the car is parked in front of the house. 2. Behind. Behind simply means at the back of something, kinda like hiding or trailing. You'd use it when something is positioned at the rear side of something else. Example, the garden is behind the building. 3. Above. This one means something is higher up than another thing, without touching it. You'd go for this when describing objects floating, hanging, or just being on top but not in contact. For instance, the mirror hangs above the sink. 4. Below. Below is basically the opposite of above. It means under something, but not necessarily right underneath. Use it when something is at a lower level. Try this. The keys were below the stack of books. 5. Between. This means something is in the middle of two other things. You usually use it when there's one object on each side. Like, the cafe is between the pharmacy and the bank. 6. Across from. This is about being directly opposite on the other side of something. Use it when two places are facing each other, like across a road or hallway. Example, the hotel is across from the museum. 7. Near. Near just means something is close, not far away, you know? You'd use it when two places or things are just a short distance apart. Example sentence, the bakery is near my apartment. 8. Far from. This is about distance. When something isn't anywhere close, it's far. We use this when two things are located with a big gap between them. Like, the airport is far from the city center. 9. On the corner of. This phrase means something is right at the intersection of two streets. It's used when a building or spot is placed where two roads meet. Example, the coffee shop is on the corner of Maple Street. 10. At the end of. This tells you that something is located at the finishing point of a path, street, or line. It's handy when you're describing where something is on a route. Like, the bus stop is at the end of the road. 11. In the middle of. Alright, this one's pretty clear. It means smack dab in the center of something. You'd use it when something is surrounded on all sides. For example, the fountain is in the middle of the plaza. 12. To the left of. This is used when something is located on the left-hand side of another thing. Perfect for giving directions or describing positions. Example, the post office is to the left of the bank. 13. To the right of. Same idea as the last one, just flipped. It means something's on the right-hand side of another object or place. Like, the restaurant is to the right of the cinema. 14. Adjacent to. A little more formal, but still common. It means right next to or touching. Use it when things are side by side, especially in buildings or layouts. Example, the parking lot is adjacent to the shopping mall. 15. Close to. This one's all about being nearby or not too far. You'd say it when you want to express short distance, casually. Like, her apartment is close to the university. 16. Opposite. Opposite means directly facing something on the other side. We use it when two places are across from each other. Example, the bank is opposite the train station. 17. Alongside. This is used when something runs or sits next to something else, often parallel. It's great for paths, rivers, or roads. For example, a footpath runs alongside the river. 18. Within. This one's a bit spatial. It means inside something, but often within a limit or boundary. You will use it when talking about enclosed spaces. Like, the museum is located within the city walls. 19. Outside. Simple and useful. It means not inside. Use this one when something is beyond the walls or borders of a place. Example: the kids are playing outside the school. 20. Beneath. Beneath is just a fancier way to say under or underneath. We use it when something is directly lower than something else. Like, the cat is sleeping beneath the table. 21. On the corner of. Meaning is, it's where two streets or lines meet, usually at an angle. And if you're wondering how to use it, say it when something's at that exact turning point. For example, the coffee shop is on the corner of Main Street and Oak Avenue. 22. At the end of. Meaning is, it's located at the farthest point of a street, road, or path. Usage-wise, we use it to describe the final spot in a line or direction. For example, the cinema is at the end of the street. 23. In the middle of. Meaning is, it's smack in the center of something. You use it when something's surrounded evenly on all sides. Example: the fountain is in the middle of the square. 24. To the left of. Meaning is, it's on the left-hand side when you're facing a certain way. Usage-wise, this helps give clear directions. For example, the bank is to the left of the supermarket. 25. To the right of. Meaning is, it's located on the right-hand side. And you'd use it to point someone in the correct direction. Try this. The petrol station is to the right of the grocery store. 26. Adjacent to. Meaning is, something that's very close or directly next to something else. You'd use it when things are side by side. For instance, the post office is adjacent to the library. 27. Close to. Meaning is, it's nearby, not far at all. Use this when talking about short distances between places. An example: the cafe is close to the university. 28. Opposite. Meaning is, directly across from something, facing it. You use it when two things are fronting each other. Example: the bookstore is opposite the train station. 29. Alongside. Meaning is, right beside something, often moving parallel to it. Use it when describing something that runs next to another. Here's an example. There's a bike lane running alongside the main road. 30. Within. Meaning is, inside a boundary or limit. And if you're wondering when to use it, it's perfect when talking about enclosed areas or ranges. Like, the school is within walking distance of my house. 31. Outside. Meaning is, not inside, beyond a certain boundary. Use this when talking about the area around a place but not within it. Example: the kids are waiting outside the gate. 32. Beneath. Meaning is, directly under something, often with space in between. Use it when something is lower in position but not always touching. For example, the shoes are beneath the chair. 33. Beside. Meaning is, it's right next to something, very close. You'd use it when two objects or people are side by side. Here's one. She sat beside her best friend. 34. Amid. Meaning is, right in the middle of a group or surrounded by things. You use it when something is among multiple items or events. Example: the cabin is hidden amid the trees. 35. Underneath. Meaning is, below something, usually covered by it. It's used when one thing is hiding or resting under another. Try this. The letter was underneath the pile of books. 36. Near to. Meaning is, it's close in distance to something. Use this when two places are not far apart. For example, the park is near to the bus stop. 37. Inside of. Meaning is, it's located within the interior or core of something. Usage: when talking about a position surrounded on all sides. Like, the phone is inside of my backpack. 38. Surrounding. Meaning is, it's all around something, encircling it. Use it when something is covered on all sides. For example, there are tall trees surrounding the cottage. 39. Overlooking. Meaning is, it's above something, giving a view of it. Usage-wise, it's for locations with a vantage point. Example: the hotel room is overlooking the beach. 40. Nearby. Meaning is, it's close in location, not far away. You use it to describe things that are a short walk or distance away. For instance, There's a nice restaurant nearby. Hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome videos. It really motivates me to keep creating content like this.